Now, I need everybody to listen, please. Filled up. All right. Peace. Now, remember with our last lab, you had 60 subtraction problems to do? Yeah, this one you only have one. Okay. So, now, are we gaining heat or were we losing heat? We were losing heat. That was the hot water. Yeah, that was just the hot water. We weren't gaining heat. We're actually starting to lose it already. Okay? All right. Now, we are going to, so we're going to record this as a negative number because we're losing heat. But what you're going to do is you're going to take your first temperature and you're going to subtract your last temperature from it. Okay? So whatever you have in 0, then you're going to subtract from it whatever you have in 10. And then right here where it says degrees change,
Negative 18.9.
you're going to record your degrees change here.
18.9.
Yeah, and make it a negative number.
8.9 minus
Because that's what you lost.
160.9.
What did you get?
18.9.
Peace. Now, we're going to go around the room and we're going to get everybody's temperature change. You need to record these as we go, okay? So, control. What was your temperature change? 42.3. Okay. So that's a negative 42.3.
Oh, negative.
If you're talking, you're not listening, and you're not doing what you need to do. Okay? All right. Sand, what was your change? 32, negative 32.6. Soil, what was your change? Negative 22.2. You need to be typing these into your data table because we are going to copy these and put them into a spreadsheet to make our graph. And I just remembered we forgot to predict which one would probably be the best. All right. Paper, what was your change? Negative 22, just 22, okay? Fiberglass, what was your change? Negative 22.7, okay? Aluminum foil, what was your change? 26.9, okay? And denim, what was your change? 20.2? Yeah. Okay? And wool, what was your change? What? 24.8. Okay? And gravel, what was your change? 42.8? Negative.
Oh, I was
Okay? Styrofoam, what was your 22?
22.
Just 22.
Foam rubber, what was yours?
Ours was
18.9. Wow, we had a really
And feathers, what was yours? 25.4.
What? Where are we?
Okay.
We're
All right.
the lowest one.
Make sure that you have all of these numbers in. What?
I think foam rubber was the best insulator. Maybe.
Why? Why foam rubber?
I don't know. This was the shortest out of all.
It was the smallest change, right? It lost the least heat.
That's the best insulator.
All right.
Yeah.
Thumbs up if you have these in your data table. Okay, we're almost there. Yes. Yeah, there's a few of them you can't actually take it out because you won't be able to get it back in. So, like the sand and soil, don't pull those out. Yeah, just open it up and dump. Okay. All right, here we go. We are now going to create our graph. By the way, did you have any surprises? Because I totally forgot for us to predict, because we were trying to get things going. Forgot to predict, for us to predict which one we thought would be the best and which one we thought would be the worst insulator. But did you see any surprises? What'd you,
A little bit, yeah.
what was your surprise?
Ours.
Ours?
Uh-huh.
Which one's ours?
You thought wool was?
Same rubber.
Gillette was going to lose the least, yes.
I thought, this was kind of reasonable because it's wood. It's basically wood.
Okay. All right. Go to materials in classroom and let's see how well you guys remember how to do this. You please stop. Open up the insulators graph. It should come up as view only. So what do we need to do? File and make a copy. Go under file, go to make a copy, tell it okay. Now this one's a lot easier than our last one. Everybody got your copy? Thumbs up if you have your copy of your spreadsheet. Look, I see somebody who remembers what to do. They're already doing it. We're going to go back to our notebook. We're going to put our cursor beside the temperature change for control. We're going to press the shift button and our down arrow and highlight that column. Control C for copy. Go back to our spreadsheet. And Control V. Oh, mine worked that time. All right. There we go. And you should have your data in. Put your, highlight this last box right here. The last box with data, yes.
Oh, I get it now. So it's control, sans, and I think. Maybe no.
Yes.
I know I have to do a chart, but what kind of chart?
Yeah, I don't know what chart we're supposed to do. Is it the same as last time?
Do you think a line chart would work for this one?
No.
Why?
Because that doesn't really show how it changed.
Yeah, it's not. That's perfect for change over time, but it's not how one material is changing. It's how all these different ones show. Which one do you think would work best?
Probably. These are hard questions.
Right?
Who remembers how to create your graph? Okay, so do that.
Oh, maybe I will.
You have to keep your cursor out here.
I know. I think it's a column chart.
There's our 10-minute warning.
Bar chart? So what does that show?
You have to keep your cursor on
All
there.
the
Are you
things.
here?
Ah.
So it's like
Is that the spell you have highlighted?
yeah.
I think it should be the column change.
Okay.
The column
So you should have a graph that looks exactly like this. Whoops, no, okay, so you have a line graph. Is a line graph what we want?
No.
No, we want a bar graph, right? So if we do a bar graph, and notice, what way did it go? It's going down. Is that a true picture of what happened? Because the temperature went down, right? We lost. So which one shows?
She's got one wrong.
So the best insulator, is that going to be the one with the long bar or the one with the short bar? The short bar, because it lost the leaves, okay?
Which was ours. Ours was the
Ours,
shortest.
oh yeah. Yep, lost the least. I don't know why though. No, it's foam. When you put foam in water, you can crush it.
You need to recheck your,
Is that it?
So when we answer that question on our
Okay.
thing, which material was the best insulator
Everybody's
and which
graph
was
should
the
be exactly the
best
same.
conductor?
This was the worst. This was the best.
they don't need matching.
So which one was the best?
Foam rubber, ours.
Foam rubber? And
And
what was
then-
the best conductor?
The best they're exactly the same.
Wait, no.
They're the
Did they have the same number? The gravel and the control.
I think gravel was a little bit more.
Let's see.
The gravel and the air didn't insulate at all, did they?
No.
That's interesting that the gravel was the same or close to the same as
Do
the
y'all
air.
remember how to copy it?
Maybe because rocks are made of air.
Maybe there's a lot of air in between the rocks.
Yeah. That gets like stuck inside the rocks. Maybe.
Oh.
Is this all?